So I know what you're thinking. She looks a mess. Which, fair. Pretty much always fair. Yeah, I was gonna wait until I'd re-dyed my hair, did my eyebrows, got my nails done, blah blah blah, all that stuff, figured out perfect lighting and a better filming solution than just using the front-facing camera on my smartphone. I was approaching it like a first date. I wanted to make sure that I looked perfect, that everything was set up exactly how I needed it. I wanted to put my best self forward, hide all the warts, under absolutely no circumstances whatsoever let anybody see too much of the real me just yet. But then I realized that the best first date for the best relationship I've ever had, which thankfully is the current one, it started with me with my nail polish half chipped off and my eyeliner smeared everywhere and my hair a mess and my hungover ass over an hour late for coffee. And we're still good. Everybody always says start as you mean to go on, but for me, the most important thing was just to start. So I'm starting. I decided that, you know, I was just gonna do it. So here I am. Hair desperately in need of attention. Mascara under my eyes, which thankfully doesn't appear to be visible. And neither does the feathering of my lipstick everywhere. It's fine because the shitty quality of my smartphone seems to be masking all of that. So, score. Yeah, so hi. Hello. Nameless, faceless YouTube void. My name is Gail. Welcome to whatever the hell this is. So, hopefully, when future Gail chooses a title for this video and shoots the planned intro, it will have become clear that part of this is an unboxing. Birchbox and Glossybox. So without further ado, I think these are the August box, and part of the reason I decided to rush this bloody video is because I've already received the September one, so I need to get these filmed and then do those. Yeah, I'm super together. Right. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I didn't know it came in another little box. I might have to put like a little sticker over here that says, hello, look at me, because I keep looking this way and it's not good. So yeah, this is super cute. It's got, I don't know if you can see, but it's a little sloth on the box, and probably anybody who's interested in this kind of stuff will already have seen this, because like I said, this is last month's box and I'm always late. Yeah, so I don't know, there's things. I don't know what to open first. I'll just, the thing I grabbed first. Okay, so we've got something from Dr. Botanicals. Promising. P.O. Oh, I see. It's supposed to look like a little periodic table thing. Clever. Pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. I'm sure that my face could use some regenerating. All right. Item 2. Coconut milk hair mask. Excellent. Yeah. Oh, did I see? Color safe. Okay, cool. Hair mask, nourishing and moisturizing, color safe, free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten for normal and dry hair. Perfect. That's me. Okay. Now we've got what looks like a lipstick, maybe? It's from Dirty Little Secret. Oh no, it's an eyeshadow crayon. Okay, it's like a sort of, is this how people do it? This is YouTube tricks. A little kind of a, I don't know, swatcher some here. Looks like that. It's a pretty color. I don't think I have ever really worn colors like this before. Kind of spread out a little bit. It's, oh, this light is so bad. I'm so sorry to all of the people who are watching this. Sorry, nobody. And let's see. Okay, we've got. Oh yeah, I should have showed you. I'm learning. It came in this cute little box, which I love. It's really nice. And I think, see, that's why I thought it was lipstick. Next we have Fluide Solaire Fondant. Check out my French, it's good. It's not good. Yeah, so that's some kind of sunscreen. Okay, are we back? Things keep happening. Right, so I've just finished looking at the Birchbox and now Glossybox. So let's see, how do we open this one? It looks like, yeah, kind of. Oh, so this is a box within a box as well. And it's like, look at it. Oh, I guess that's for pride, probably. That's lovely. This is a really pretty box, actually. Oh, look. It's tied with a ribbon. That's super cute. Oh. Okay, I'm kind of dying now. This is, let's pre-glam. Hey, glossies, blah blah. So there's a thing about what's, I'm not going to look at that yet. Oh, that's super cute as well, look. It's like, I mean, okay, I'm not a big fan of pink, but whatever. The paper's pink and it's got a little sticker. And I guess you untie this and you open and then you see things. Oh, okay, that's the first thing that jumped out at me, so that's what you're getting. Let's pre-glam. Party, party. It's a perfecting sheet mask. Masque en feuille perfectionnant. Wow, my French needs help. Help, help. Cool. It's got instructions and all that. Hyaluronic acid. Good stuff. Okay, what's next? Ooh. Ink Me stamp tattoo from Rimmel London. I'm done trying to pronounce French because it's really bad. Okay. So yeah, it's a like a, oh, it's a little heart stamp thingy. I see. Like that. See somebody unbox this box? Maybe. Oh well. Yeah. Ooh. The shadow paint. Now, I'm assuming that this brand name is pronounced Me-ness. If anybody happens to be watching, please do correct me. Me-ness. Thrina? Thrina. So is it blue? Yeah. Oh, sorry. That looks like paint or hair dye. I mean, I guess it's supposed to look like paint. So let's see. It's quite pretty, I think. I can figure out how to use it. I wouldn't bet on me. Okay, what's next? Astro Light. Kaleido Cosmetics. Read that? Astrolight. Ooh, See from Space highlighter. So it's like a super, whatchamacallit, super intense highlighter probably. Aw. Cruelty free no matter what. And it's a little bunny with a heart on its butt. That rhymed. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, let's open that up and have a little look. Okay. It's got a nice, whatchamacallit, stowfoot thingies. Okay, that is very shiny, but it doesn't, I mean, it looks like it'd be really dark as a highlighter for me, anyway, because I'm pasty as fuck. I don't know though, I mean, when you blend it out a little, no, it's still too dark. But it's pretty. Could be eyeshadow. Alright, now we have Trifle Cosmetics, that's cute. Lip and Cheek Jam. Jam, trifle, also 100% cruelty free. Maybe everything in this box is cruelty free, I don't remember. I'll have to check. That's so professional. Oh, that's super cute, look. Okay. It's gonna be, so it's one of those multi, what's it? Oh, it's like a little like medicine dropper kind of thing. I'm afraid to put this in my hand because it's probably gonna, you know, stain. But I'll just pop it in there. It's very, very pink. It's very pinkish, like sort of, I don't know if you sugary kind of. It's like very watery. I don't know if you can. I think that's everything except for these metallic sticker tattoos, also Ink Me, from so the same people as, what was that in the first one? The eyeliner stamp. I think that was in the Birchbox. This is why I should probably do the unboxing separately, because I'm gonna get confused. But they're pretty. I don't know what I'd ever use them for, but they're pretty. And that is everything apart from these. What does what does Toxic Tears call them? The noodlies. Noodlies. Right. So okay. So let's just see. Yeah. Oh no, it was. They were both in this box. Okay. So there was the Ink Me. No. Sorry. Deep breath, Gail. We can do this. There was the Ink Me stamp and sticker tattoos. The, the heart stamp, which was the other Ink Me Rimmel thing. Here. The, what else? The sheet mask. The jam. Lip and cheek jam. The Astrolight highlighter, and the 3-in-A, somebody help, shadow paint stuff. So, very cool. Lovely. Oh, this is all very exciting, and I look forward to failing miserably at applying most of these. Thanks to all the imaginary people that I hope are watching, and see you next time.